Opening financial periods. We're going to open a financial period in the Subledgers and the General Ledger. To complete this process, we'll first prepare to open a financial period and then open the financial period. To begin with, go to the Finance Workspace and open the Company Financial Calendar form. In the Selection area, ensure the correct company name is appearing, and also in the Financial Year field, the new year that you want to open is appearing. In the table, note that all the periods have the inactive status. Now, let's open the financial period. On the More menu, click the Open Periods option. Notice that the Manage Financial Periods form opens, and the system has selected the Open action in the selection area. In the table, select the unlabeled checkbox for the period you need to open, then click the Process button. The processing dialog box appears, confirming that the process is completed. The status of the selected periods is changed to Open.